ललन सिंह जी, बिहार के लिए बड़ी सौगात है आज बजट में, कई अनाउंसमेंट्स हुई हैं। आपको लगता है कि जेडीयू की जो विश लिस्ट थी उसको माना गया है?
देखिए, आज आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में जो सरकार है उसने एक पूर्वोदय योजना की घोषणा की है और उसमें जो पूर्वोत्तर राज्य है उनको कैसे विकसित किया जाए इस पर उन्होंने ध्यान केंद्रित किया है और इसलिए बिहार उसमें पिछड़े राज्यों में एक रहा है। हम लोगों की सब दिन से ये मांग रही थी कि बिहार को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा दिया जाए या बिहार को विशेष पैकेज दिया जाए और आज के बजट भाषण में पैकेज का, बिहार के लिए पैकेज का भरमार है और इस पूरे घोषणा से बिहार के विकास के दर को और तीव्रता मिलेगी, गति मिलेगी। बिहार आने वाले समय में बिहार एक विकसित प्रदेश के रूप में विकसित होगा।
आरजेडी के लोग अभी भी खुश नहीं है।
आरजेडी के लोग, मनोज झा जी तो बेचारे क्या करेंगे। अब मनोज झा जी के पास मजबूरी है, कुछ बोलना है तो कुछ बोलना है, मजबूरी है तो बोल रहे हैं।
चिराग, you always been speaking about the yuva, you've been speaking about development. How do you see the budget announcement? Opposition is saying it's for Bihar and Andhra.
Well, I think those who cannot see the poor in their state, those who cannot see women in their state, those who cannot see the middle class in their state, those who cannot see the farmers in their state, I think they're the only ones who are talking about this, and they're the only ones who are criticizing that it's only focused on Bihar and it's only focused on Andhra. Having said that, I think it's an inclusive budget which takes care of every section of the society. Definitely, yes. I mean, I am Bihari and I'm very happy and I'm very proud of the fact, and I thank my Prime Minister, I thank the Finance Minister for taking Bihar under special consideration, because for the longest time we've been demanding for the special category status for my state. But if not that, then at least we have got this special package which is taking care of majority of the problems concerning my state, whether it's about infrastructural development, whether it's about promoting tourism, increasing the revenue of my state, or whether it's about concerning the floods, which is one of the biggest problems which we Bihari faces every year. So I think it's a budget which takes care of every section of the society, and this gives a strong base towards the Viksit Bharat.
For the aspirational Bihar, is this first step in the right direction? More to come?
Oh yes, a lot more to come. I hope so. And as I said, Bihar first, Bihari first is the vision that I'm moving forward with. So I think this budget reflects that vision very strongly.
Thank you so much.
Sir, the budget presented today has made big announcements regarding Bihar. Do you think they are enough? Because
are they big enough? No, what do you mean by taking the name of Bihar and Andhra multiple times does not make it big. Now allocation for road construction, and you are presenting as if a great favor has been done to Bihar. Bihar needs a special status, special package, which is conspicuously absent. Bihar needs a revival plan, which is conspicuously absent. Bihar needs a hand-holding, which is conspicuously absent. With these conspicuous absence, please don't call it big. I beg of you.
Because the NDA allies here, Chirag Paswan, and everybody seems very happy.
They need to touch base with the reality of Bihar. They must look at the great data, the small data, the big data, and then have a public meeting. We'll discuss everything threadbare.
Thank you. Sir, a lot of focus in the budget on Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. Did Haryana get anything?
Haryana's name was not even mentioned. You saw? Not even name was mentioned. So it just focused on Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. A lot of projects were sanctioned there. Maybe a coalition pressure, coalition politics, a minority government. But in the national interest, this budget, number one, fails to address rising inflation and unemployment. Number two, the budget forgets about big sections which are in distress, such as the farmers and the poor. Number three, regional complete imbalance is there. States like Haryana have been completely forgotten, with not even mention of Haryana has come.
Haryana is going to polls in 3 months. Do you think this will impact the BJP?
You can understand very well. If the central government has forgotten Haryana today, Haryana's people are going to forget about voting for BJP 2 months later.
In the case of Andhra, after the State Reorganization Act and the reorganization of the state from Telangana, Andhra has been in an economically disadvantageous position. Insofar as Bihar is concerned, Bihar even today is one of the most backward states in the country. Not just political reasons, but it is primarily these developmental reasons that have actually driven the special focus behind these two states, because the country cannot prosper if such important two states are lagging behind.
You think jobs is for everybody? In fact, the job scheme is for throughout the nation.
While the special mention is regarding these two states, the rest of the schemes of the budgets, the 11 lakh crore rupees allotted for infrastructure, it applies for everybody. The 1 lakh crore rupee 50-year interest-free loan, it is available for every state. The increased allocation for urban development, the focus on making our cities more sustainable, making our cities modern, is for 100 cities across the country. So the fact that two states have been specially mentioned does not mean that the rest of the country is neglected. The opposition may choose to do politics over this, but the common people of this country have clearly understood that this is a fast-paced, growth-oriented, Atmanirbhar Bharat envisioned budget.
Thank you. Thank you. I have with me Mr. Karthik Chidambaram. Sir, what do you think of the budget? Your party is saying some ideas have been borrowed, in fact, from your manifesto.
I think the apprentice scheme which they are proposing is something which has come out of our manifesto. But I need to study the budget in greater detail before I can make some comments about it. But it's natural that they have had to pander to the demands of their political allies from Andhra and Bihar. It's only natural because their political survival and survival of the government depends on them. But I'll have to study it, and more than anything else, there are many grand schemes have been announced, but we'll have to see whether these are all new schemes or whether they are just old schemes rebranded, and we'll have to see whether the old announcements they made about smart cities and everything else much earlier in their earlier budgets of the same finance minister. We'll have to see whether they've been
See a lot of focus on Bihar and Andhra Pradesh.
That's natural. That's a political compulsion.